Taking a look at this whole room humidifier from Vornado. This is what it looks like in the box. Let's get it out of there and take a look at it. So it's got the base unit and a tank that just plugs into the back. It says to not twist the tank, to just pull it straight up. It has a fairly long cord, and the cord is just a 2-prong outlet. We'll go ahead and plug that in. Once it's plugged in, we can turn it on. We've got 3 different modes: high, low, and automatic. And then we've got different humidity levels from 40% to infinite. It's not very loud. You fill up the tank with water. It's got a little valve at the bottom there, so you don't have to worry about it leaking. And it's very quiet. So it's going to cover about 300 square feet. The auto humidity control takes care of everything for you, and super quiet, 1 gallon capacity. Hope this helps.